Good morning, this is Kevin at TR Classic Sports Car, and I'm here with our 1968 Triumph TR250, now live on auction, no reserve, on Bring a Trailer. And I'm going to do a cold start video this morning. It's been sitting here all weekend. It's Sunday morning now. I'm going to grab the exhaust manifold, which is cold to the touch, and walk around. This is a nice car. This will be a fun project for the next owner to take it to the next level, but it's also good to be driven and enjoyed right here, right now. So let's start this up. Give it a little choke, and let's start it. There we go. Temp gauge is cold, oil pressure's up. Fuel gauge is working, it's on charge, tachometer is holding.